How to change keyboard language on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of additional settings. Here tap on languages and input and then tap on manage keyboards. So here you can see your keyboard over here. So simply what you need to do is go back and tap on current keyboard. Tap on the keyboard that you have right now, and as you do that, just tap on the option over here, and here you can see the option of languages. So just tap on languages, and here you can tap on add keyboard. So you can search for a language over here. So I'm gonna search for one of this language over here. So here's French over here, and you can just see different French options over here. You can select whichever is more convenient for you. You need to toggle on the option of multilingual typing as well, and then tap on done. And as you do that, now you can just go back and then turn on any of these options wherever you can use a keyboard. I'm going to tap on the search bar, and as you do that, here you can see is now installed. So tap the globe key to switch language, or tap here to add more. So if you want to add more, you can just add keyboard, or else you can just go to the same option over here and tap on it. So here you can see the option of French over here. So just you need to press on this icon, and then you'll be able to change your keyboard language on Android. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.